In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme in Google Antigravity. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to refresh the look and feel of your workspace, whether you want a new color palette or different icon styles. First, open the Antigravity app so you're on the main screen. Make sure the window is active on your desktop. We'll be using the app's built-in menu, so keep your cursor near the top of the screen. Next, go to the menu bar and click File. This opens a short list of options that affect how the app behaves. We're heading into settings from here, so keep the menu open. Move your mouse to Preferences. Don't click away just yet. Hovering over Preferences will reveal additional choices so you can fine-tune how Antigravity looks and works without leaving your current window. Now, continue by hovering over Themes. This is the part of Preferences dedicated to appearance. You're in the right place when you see the available theme categories. This section centralizes everything related to color and icon styling, so you can make changes quickly and keep your workspace consistent. Here you'll see 3 areas to choose from: color theme, file icon theme, and product icon theme. Color theme controls the overall look, such as light or dark modes and accent colors. File icon theme changes how file types are represented in lists and panels, which can make it easier to scan your projects at a glance. Product icon theme adjusts the style of feature and tool icons throughout the interface. Pick the area you want to update based on what matters most to you visually. Let's focus on color theme. Click color theme to open the gallery. You can search by name if you already know what you want, or simply browse the list to compare options. As you look through themes, pay attention to readability and contrast. Choose something that feels comfortable for your eyes, especially if you work long hours or in different lighting conditions. Many themes are designed with specific environments in mind, so a high contrast option might be better in bright spaces, while a softer palette may be easier at night. When you find one you like, click it to apply. The change should appear right away, so you can quickly test a few and settle on the one that fits best. If it doesn't feel right, just click another theme and the interface will update instantly. That's all you need to do. Open Antigravity, head to File, hover to Preferences, hover to Themes, choose the category, and click your color theme to apply it. Enjoy your refreshed setup.